This is Mr. Littman, and I'm going to give you a quick ALEKS tutorial. Right now, we're going to look at navigation, so how to change topics, how to change units, and how to check our progress. So allow me to start sharing our screen for a sample student. This student has just signed in. Notice that on this front page, we have a few different options. When we first get here, it shows us our entire pie. If we look at timeline, it shows us how much work we've done and when we've completed knowledge checks. This student doesn't have a timeline because I created this sample account today, so there's no history to show. We can also do timeline detail, which will give over an extended period and allow us more information. Again, that's not available for this student because the student has only been in this topic, in this pie for 1 day. Let's go back to our home area. And I'm going to click, before I can click on it, I'm going to notice what this says, working towards. This is my current goal. Right now, we should all be on Unit 2, fractions and decimals. And our goal is to do 60 of 60 topics. And this is due on April 3rd, right before spring break. I'm going to continue my path now. Now, I've already been in this topic before. If this were my first time visiting the topic, it would give me an explanation first. But if I want to change topic, I would click on this arrow in the top left, and then I would be able to select any other topic. Notice also that I can move to the right and the left. So I want to show us a couple topics to illustrate something. First, this is a goal topic, the one with the diamonds. So there are 60 topics with diamonds, and those are the ones we want to do. Topics without diamonds are prerequisites. They help us learn and prepare to take on harder topics by developing our skills one step at a time. If you have a lot of prerequisite topics to do, that's all right. Just work on these so that you're prepared to take care of the goal topics when you're ready for them. Now, sometimes we encounter topics that are locked. So locked topics are ones that ALEKS thinks we're not yet ready to do. And it often means there's a prerequisite topic for us to take care of. So if we click on this topic, the one that is locked, it will sometimes tell us what topics we need to work on. So if I wanted to work on plotting integers on a number line, I would click on this and it would bring me to that topic. And I could just click start. And now I'm working on plotting integers on a number line. If ALEKS doesn't recommend topics, it means there are more than 1 or 2 topics for you to do. So you should just pick a topic that's already available for you. I also want to show us how to change our unit. So when we click down to open this topic menu, there's still another option up here. And so if we see that it says Unit 2, fractions and decimals, this will allow us to change from one unit to another. Now, we should all be on Unit 2, but if for some reason you're not, just make sure that you change to Unit 2 every time you sign back in. Now, this first number is our total goal topics, which is 60. And then it shows us how many are remaining. So this student still has 23 prerequisites to do and 52 goal topics. When the number of remaining topics reaches 0, that means we have met our goal because we have done all of the topics. Just to show you what it would look like if I did change units, I would click over here. It doesn't, here we go. Here's one that's unlocked, and then I can start working on it. So even though that's not our current unit, we can still move back and forth. But like I said, for right now, we should be focusing on Unit 2. I also want to quickly show you the review option. So if we go to the left to review, it allows us to access all of the topics we've learned already. So if you've forgotten something, you can come back here to review it. For example, the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Coming back here would allow me to refresh my memory and more deeply learn these skills. It's also worth pointing out the filter up here. So if I wanted to search for topics with the word factors, I could type in factors and find it. It can also change from ready to learn to review. And then let me move this video out of the way a bit. It also gives us options for topics that have video resources. And when we're looking at ready to learn topics, those are the new ones. Then we can look specifically at the ones that are unlocked. So if I click unlocked, then all of the topics that it shows me will be ones that are unlocked. So that can help us more quickly find a topic to work on. So this has been a quick tutorial on how to navigate ALEKS.